So Project Service was, kind of built on the Dynamics 365 and XRM framework. And what we've introduced there is not just the ability to sell products inside Dynamics 365, but also sell projects. And it makes a lot of sense in that we often have professional services companies selling large complex projects with time involved, and CRM just never really did the best job in that space. Project Service Automation is really and what we've really brought, it's a fairly new capability, and what we've brought to the table recently is the project client integration. So the ability to integrate from Microsoft Project into the PSA capability. So basically what you could have is either build out a project plan lightly inside Dynamics 365 as a work breakdown structure and then export that into Microsoft Project, or you could even have a project manager build out a comprehensive project plan and then import it back into Dynamics 365. There are obviously some limitations into how far you can take it, Microsoft Project being far more capable in that with things like resource leveling and so on. Again, there's the scheduling unification. Great about scheduling unification means that a resource in Dynamics 365 is a resource in Dynamics 365. When we first had Field 1 in Project Service, they had different ideas around what resources were. So we were talking about unified contracts and billings. Hopefully you got some of that, but basically around simplifying customer experience so that you can get all the way to forecasting, actuals for reconciliation, and that really is around the Dynamics 365 value proposition. So you're able to move from what is typically CRM functionality like sales and service, whether that's projects or typical kind of product sales, all the way through to cash. And that's basically what this is talking about. And then lastly, collaborative portals. Again, we talked about the partner portals and being able to give insight to that, as well as some self-service scenarios as well. There's a lot of really good other investments in the project service automation, such as the mobile tools. So, you guys could also use these yourselves because it really suits project professional services really well. But end users are able to open up the mobile app and potentially even find projects that they could work on. So for large professional services organizations, like some of the advisors, maybe the KPMGs of the world, they could log on and see, this is the type of projects that are going on that need my skills, and they can even kind of apply for those projects inside the organizations they work for. And some of the investment we make in app extensibility is really impressive. It really shows how mature the platform is.